So guys, today, I know you're wondering why I'm feeling so cool, but what I have for you today is, how's all I can use to describe it? Let me get my groove on. Hey guys, I know it's been the longest time, right? But I want to say I'm back and better, but you know, fingers crossed really. However, today I'm going to be doing a video on how to contour and highlight without using concealer. Let's get right into the video. So now guys, I'm just going to go in with my moisturizer from Burgard. So this is it. This is what it looks like. I'm just going to put that all over my face. And while I'm doing that, let's talk. What content would you like to see? Now I'm just going to wait for some minutes so it dries into my skin. Now going in with this foundation. I hope you can see it clearly. My beauty blender to apply my foundation. Yes, we're just gonna dab in some of that into the skin. So I'm just blending all that good stuff in. Our foundation is in and we look good. Since we're not doing wet contour today, we're doing dry contour. I'm just going to get my powder. This is the powder I'm going to use. So I'm just going to be going for the 2 shades lighter than my skin tone, and I'm going to be applying it underneath my eyelids like this. So you blend that into skin. Just keep applying the lighter shade of powder just as you do your contour, only that now you're using your powder. That's about it. And now I'm going to the next side, same process. And if you see my face for the first time, welcome to the family. I promise to give you better content this year. So I hope you can see the difference now. We all know this is where we put the lighter shade near your chin, forehead, to go into your nose area, your nose bridge to be precise. That's pretty much everything on highlighting. So now we're going to go in with the contour. I'm still using the same powder, and I'm just going to go for the darker shade. Do not mind my messy palettes. We all have that one palette that we love and we stick to, because I actually have other palettes, but I don't know why I'm so glued to this one. So I'm going in with a shade darker than my skin tone, and yeah, just the same process, how you go underneath your cheekbones. So we're doing the same thing right here. Just putting that. It's really easy. All you just have to do is substitute your concealer with your powder. Just look at that. Just look at it. Snatched. And I'm going to go in and do the same thing for the other side. Right here, just beside the chin, we all know the process of contouring, so I'm just doing all of that but with my powder. And now we're going to get the nose. Let's be catfish. So just the same process, just the way you do your wet contour. If you can do your wet contour, you can definitely do this, because it's literally the same thing, just that you're using powder instead of concealer. This is what dry contour looks like. Hope you can see. This is everything I want to show you guys, how to do your contour and highlight with powder, and I hope that you've been able to grab a few things. Now I'm just going to go over and quickly finish this whole look. So guys, I'm back. Yes, this is the final look. And yeah, one more thing. Yeah, we have to finish up with the setting spray, so let's get into that. Very important. You need to set your face properly. So this is what it's like. It's so simple. Like, my face feels so light. Like, I didn't even do anything on my face at all. This is actually a major hack. And fun fact is, I've never tried this before. This is like my first time. I mean, I wouldn't say my first time because I actually do dry contour on my clients, but on my own face, this is the first time because I actually love the whole definition that concealer gives your face. Like, I fuck with it, like, yeah. But this one, I think it's gonna be my go-to. It's very simple. I finished this makeup in less than 30 minutes. Yeah, so why not? Why the hell not, guys? Welcome to the end of this video. This is all to show you how to contour and highlight with your powder palette. I deserve that. So please do not forget to like, hit the subscribe button, drop a comment, and also share your thoughts about this, when you've done it on your own face. Let me know how it came out, if you liked it, if you didn't like it, if it didn't work, if there's something you found difficult. You're actually not supposed to find anything difficult, but if there's anything that you would love for me to address, just come back here and drop a comment, and I would be very nice to do that for you. And yes, if you're just seeing my face for the first time, guys, I cannot overemphasize this, but I'm deserving of your subscribe. So please do hit the subscribe button, watch all my previous videos, and drop a comment, and also thumbs up. Thank you so much for sticking to the end of this video. I love you all. Bye. Mwah.